Okay, today's lesson is on synthetic division. So we are still working with polynomial division. So I'm going to write the first problem and then just talk about when we can use this method. So 2x to the fourth plus 12x to the third minus 2x squared minus 14x minus 18 divided by x plus 6. So what I usually find is students really like synthetic division. They think it's a lot easier than long division. But synthetic division only works, well, it's only convenient, let's say, when you have a leading coefficient. Well, first off, when you have a binomial, so two terms, and when the leading coefficient is 1. So if you were dividing by 2x plus 3, long division is going to be easier. If you're dividing by like x squared plus 7x minus 2, let's do long division. So this is just a special case when you are dividing by a binomial leading coefficient 1 that we'll use. So to start, you look at what you're dividing by, so x plus 6, and we're going to think the opposite. We're going to think like when you're solving quadratics, the 0. So we're going to just put in a little box -6. Now we're going to look at the coefficients of your polynomial. Make sure you're not missing any terms. So I have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No missing terms. So I'm just going to write the coefficients. 2, 12, -2, -14, -18. I'm going to draw a line. And I'm going to add a plus sign. So here we go. We always just bring down the first coefficient, 2. Then anything that we bring down here, we multiply here. So 2 times -6 is -12. We put it here. And then we add 0. So I'm just going to add arrows here. And then to get this next one, we always go back to this. We multiply 0 times -6 is 0. And then we add -2. And then we multiply. -6 times -2 is +12. And then we add -2. And then -6 times -2 is 12. And then we add and get -6. Okay, so when we do this, the last number here is always your remainder. And then here is our polynomial answer. So this is your constant, your x term, your x squared term, and your x to the third term. So the answer is 2x to the third, nothing here, minus 2x minus 2 minus the remainder 6 over x plus 6. And there you go. You just divided those two polynomials. Okay, let's do another example. So 12x to the fifth plus 17x to the fourth plus 7x to the third plus 7x plus 9, and we're dividing by x plus 1. Let's check for missing terms. 5, 4, 3, wow, there it is. So we're missing a term, 1, 0. Okay, so if I'm dividing by x plus 1 in my little box, I'm going to write -1. All right, let's write all the coefficients. So 12, 17, 7. Missing coefficient, I have to put in that 0, 7, and 9. Okay. Bring down the 12. Multiply. So -12, and now add. I would say the biggest mistake students make is that in long division, we're doing a lot of subtracting, but in synthetic division, we're adding. Okay, so this is 5. Multiply, -1 times 5, -5, add 2. Multiply, Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Add negative 2. Multiply 2. Add 9. Multiply negative 9. Add 0. So our remainder, we don't have a remainder. Our remainder is 0. And then this is our polynomial. So your constant, your x, and then you just go up, x squared, x to the third, x to the fourth. So the answer is 12x to the fourth plus 5x to the third plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 9. All right, let's do one more example, and then we're done with this video. So 2x to the fourth minus 3x to the third minus 25x squared plus 27x minus 26, and we're dividing by x minus 4. Check for missing terms. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No missing terms. Good. Now this time we have x minus 4, so the opposite in our box, we're going to put positive 4. And now our coefficients, 2, negative 3, negative 25, 27, negative 26. Bring down 2, multiply 8, add 5, multiply 20, add negative 5, multiply negative 20, add 7, multiply 28, add 2. So they go pretty quick. And then here's my remainder, constant x, x squared, x to the third. So 2x to the third plus 5x squared minus 5x plus 7 plus the remainder 2 over x minus 4. So there you go. There's your video on synthetic division. Good luck with the lesson.